Autel newly designed ITS600 TPMS tablet provides technicians with 4 MX sensor programming options: copy by activation, copy by OBD, copy by manual input, and AutoCreate. Let's quickly review each programming method. First, power on the ITS600. Tap the TPMS icon. Tap VIN Scan to identify the vehicle. The copy by activation method requires the original sensor be activated. Select the Programming tab. The sensor's ID will display in the second column to the right of the tire label. Next, tap the tire location on the display interface. Place the new MX sensor in front of the ITS600. Tap Copy by Activation. Tap Confirm, and the ID from the original sensor will be programmed to the MX sensor. The copy by OBD method requires the sensor IDs be read from the vehicle's ECU. Connect the VCI to the vehicle's OBD2 port. Turn the ignition on and pair the VCI with the ITS600. Tap the Diagnostics tab on the function menu. The registered sensor IDs will display in the second column to the right of the tire label. Tap the tire location on the display interface. Place the new MX sensor in front of the ITS600. Tap the Copy by OBD. Tap Confirm, and the registered sensor ID will be copied to the MX sensor. The Copy by Manual Input method requires the sensor ID be manually entered. Place the new MX sensor in front of the ITS600. Tap the tire location on the display interface. Tap Copy by Manual Input. Input the sensor ID. Sensor ID are either digital, all numbers, or hexadecimal, a combination of numbers and letters. Tap Confirm to program this ID into the new sensor. The AutoCreate method creates a new sensor ID and programs it to the sensor. Tap AutoCreate. The tablet will create and display the new ID. Place the new MX sensor in front of the ITS600. Tap Confirm to program the sensor with the new ID. Because the new IDs were created, relearn is necessary. The AutoCreate method can wirelessly program up to 20 MX sensors at one time, a great feature for those technicians who manage a fleet of vehicles. For information about Autel's TPMS products, please visit www.maxitpms.com.